is me, Shania, and today we are going to continue my prison. And by the way, I added some stuff off camera, like I changed the name, obviously. Okay. And I added C and G for cool girl, obviously. Okay. And I kind of did a little something here. I like put a glass wall here and shifted the gate here so that you can open it from here. Before I made it so you can open it from there, but it was a little inconvenient for my cars right here. Anyway, oh gosh, I didn't realize these pillars. Oopsies. Okay, fixed it. So let's get started on building the interior, because last video I told you that in the part 2 I'm going to be building the interior. So let's start building the interior. Yeah! And I'm also very worried that this much space won't be enough. I don't know why, but I just feel like it's not enough. But we'll see. I mean, we have some space here. We can like maybe extend if we need some more space inside, or we can put some outside equipment here if we want. Okay, so let's get started on the front here. So all we need for the front is a little decoration. So with the magic of editing, I can decorate this, but it will take forever for me to decorate it in real life. So yeah. Oh, we have a visitor. My friend is here. I have no idea for what reason. So I shall continue. Okay guys, so I have finished the entrance. As you can see, I put some benches and some more benches right here, and oh, oopsies, and a wanted board here, and a map here, and all the decoration. Oh yes, and I forgot to put lights. Okay, I have put the lights, and now what I'm thinking is I can make another separate section here for the visitors to come in. So we can make a tiny place, but I don't want to cover this up. Okay, never mind. I'm not putting it there. I'll put it here. Okay, this is our visitors area. We put a door here so the prisoners can go in, and we'll decorate this place. Actually, let's make all the sections, then we'll decorate. Oh no. Okay. So, what else do we need? We need an infirmary. Yes, guys, I learned how to say it and came today. Why is that door open? There a ghost in here? Okay, whatever. We need a workshop. I think I can put it here. But what else do we need? Let's see in the necessities. We need a kitchen and a place where we can keep all the buffets. That's how you say it, right? Buffets. Clogged my throat. I think we can make the kitchen somewhere here. We should make a small guard office here. I'm going to make this quite similar to my old prison. Ew! Okay, I'm gonna ditch that area. We can make the kitchen here only. Nobody cares. Unmask the kitchen right here. And an area for all the buffets. Will all the buffets fit in here? I don't know how many buffets do we need for 100 prisoners. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking so I can fast forward this part. Or maybe the entire part. Okay guys, so I have finished building it, like not the whole thing but all the stuff I was doing. So here we have the visitors area, which you people already know, and this is the master chef kitchen, whatever you want to call it. This is here where I'm keeping all the buffets. You enter the kitchen from here. I smacked my face. Here we have the workshop. I forgot. I I I can't remember what you call it. Okay, whatever. Let's go to the other side. Here, the generator room. We have some lockers here, and we have all the generators and these pipes. They're actually pillars. I made them pipes. Here we have the gigantic shower. I recreated the shower trap, and I'm going to do it again, like how I did in the first part when I was giving you a tour. Oh, I forgot to fill this place with showers. Well, I'll do that later. Here, the guard's office, and when we go up, so that side and the second floor and the exterior I'll do in the next video. Well, I'll see how much I can do, but yeah, 4 parts. So here we have a washroom with toilets and more toilets and sinks and decorations. Here is my favorite. You can already see little from there, and you already saw you already saw me building. So you enter. It's the gigantic basketball courts, and I sacrificed a little of the upper place for my basketball court. Oh, I just realized I didn't make the infirmary. Oh gosh, okay. Continuing. That side is another washroom. You can see. I didn't fill this with toilets. I keep forgetting everything. What the heck is this? Why is this like this? Jeez, I have to fix all of this. Okay, I'll fix it later in the later. And that's it. Yay! This is a very big outside. I think I can fit everything, but we'll have to see in part 3 or 4. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. See you guys next time.